Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys I am going to show you guys Samsung phone setting. In this video guys I will show you guys your phone screen timeout guys. How can you change in your Samsung phone? Friends, you want to change your screen timeout, so guys you can change, and guys now let's see how to change it. But before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you need my channel, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So friend, first of all open your phone setting and guys click on your display setting, scroll, and as you can see screen timeout, tap here. So as you can change your screen timeout from here in your Samsung phone. So example for guys, they will take into 15 seconds. So as you can see, after 15 seconds guys, our Samsung phone screen will off automatic guys. Wait and watch. And before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. So as you can see guys, screen going to die and off it. So I hope friends you have understood how to change the screen time out in our Samsung phone. That's it guys. Thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.